Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a fun little Q&A. I'm about to make me some turkey tacos. So I thought that while I'm making my turkey tacos and having my margarita, my limerita, I thought that I would just answer a couple of questions. I put a post on Instagram story and just told you guys that I was going to film this Q&A and to ask any open questions that you want. I literally didn't give a shit what the subject was about, and with that, kind of set myself up for a little bit of trouble, but I'm only going to post like the most appropriate questions for this Q&A video. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and let's head to the kitchen. This is my little kitchen space. So boring. As you can see, I have like zero counter space. So when I cook, I try to get things done as quickly and seamlessly as possible. Alright, so the first step to making these turkey tacos is we gotta get some seasoning going, right? Got my onion, cilantro in the fridge, and I've got my fire roasted tomato salsa, some chili powder, pepper, salt, and then I got these corn on wheat tortillas from Trader Joe's. These things, they better be good. They was either $1.99 or $2.99. I'm more than positive they was $2.99 because I remember looking at the price going. So yeah, Trader Joe's. I don't know what happened to the 99-cent tortillas. But if you could bring them back, thank you, por favor. Pin our wigs back so we can cook. I'm gonna start off by browning some ground turkey in the skillet. So once I kind of get that prepped and starting to situate, I'm gonna come back and then we're gonna get the Q&A started. Q&A started. Okay, so question number one. Where can I get a bomb wig? I would say that you can definitely get a bomb wig depending on what you're looking for from Amazon. Believe it or not, Amazon is the come up on some wigs. If you're just looking to play around with color or length, like a different style, you can get you a really nice little $10, $15 wig from Amazon. You know, it's not going to be anything too fancy. You're going to have to customize it. Most likely it's going to be a synthetica. But yeah, there's really nothing wrong with Amazon. I also shop from wig types. And if you're local, I really like Superstar Hair and Wigs. She's in North Hollywood, so she's black owned. I love supporting another sister, so check her out. I feel like her pricing is pretty good, you know, for a beauty supply store. So yeah. The second question is, how's LA? To me, that is such a vague question. Because I always wondered, I'm like, okay, when you ask me how's LA, like what exactly do you mean by that? Are you looking for tea? Are you looking for a struggle story? Are you looking for drama? Like, what's up with that? But all in all, I would say that Los Angeles is amazing. This is definitely my new home. I don't see myself living anywhere anytime soon. I love it. I love the madness. I love the crazy people. I love the energy, that hustle, just go, 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 you know what I'm saying? It's very appealing to me. Number three, what kind of wine do you like? So, I really like white wines. I love like sangrias, I love moscatos, I love Riesling. Anything that's sweet, pretty much. I do like reds too, but I like a sweeter red. Sometimes if I'm eating a steak, I might like a wine is a little bit more bitter, a little bit more dry. Maybe that's what I'm looking for. Yeah, dry. That's the term I'm looking for. Number four, if you didn't see her creeping already in the back, why didn't you get a cat instead of a dog? First of all, why you ugly, not pretty? Why you dumb, not smart? No, I'm just kidding. But don't say that. Like, why did you get a cat instead of a dog? Tigger's amazing. Actually, she was a surprise to me. My ex-boyfriend got her for me. Her and another cat, they were found in a box outside of a parking lot in a grocery store. And his friends, they got the boy cat. We're thinking maybe her brother, not really sure. But they got the boy cat, and then, I mean, they weren't just going to leave her by herself. So two other people had her originally. And they just, I don't know, for whatever reason they wanted to get rid of her. I don't think that they were really cat people. They just kind of felt bad that an abandoned, you know. And so my ex's like friends hit him up. They're like, hey, you know, our neighbors, they have a cat. We got the brother or the boy cat. They still have a girl. Do you want her? And what's so funny is I totally could not have cats where I was staying, and I snuck her into where I was staying, and I got away with it for like 6 months before I moved out. And where I'm at now, not a problem. Baby, these tacos smell so good. Okay. Alright, let me get a little fork so I can do a taste test here. Fire. Alright, let me go ahead and get my tortillas out. I'm going to start warming those up, get them rolled, and we're going to finish the last 2 questions, okay? How's work? Again, another big question, but it was one that came in a few times. Work is amazing. I work for myself. I started my own business, and then I also have a beauty social network going. So work is great. I think that being in Los Angeles and being self-employed, able to make ends meet, has definitely been an eye-opening experience. It's been a blessing. Yes, talk about that in detail would definitely require another video. So in regards to makeup artistry, I'm still doing that. It's just something that I'm not pursuing as actively. That's not my main focus like it once was. These tortillas, I don't know, man. They look okay and they smell okay, but they're just mad thick. It's just something very California fake vegan-y about these tortillas. Oh my gosh, you guys, these look so good. These 3 little tacos look amazing, and I hope that they fill me up. Alright, so last question is, how do you get paid from social media? So if you don't already know, I am a brand ambassador with an app called Firework. So Firework is an app that you can post 6 to 16-second video clips. People are posting everything from technology to beauty to health and fitness to cooking, funny comedy skits, you name it. People are doing it all. On that app, you have the opportunity to trend. So it's kind of like when you're on Instagram and you land on the homepage. Well, if you land on the homepage on Firework, baby girl, you basically made it. So when my videos are trending and when they do so consistently, that is how I get a deposit from Firework. And thus, that is how I get paid via social media. I'm not getting coin just yet, but boo, baby girl, like, best believe it's coming, okay? 2019, I'm coming for heads, okay? Necks and wigs. Alright, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any other questions or if you have any comments, please drop them down below. I love chatting with you guys. I love hearing your feedback. So I'm gonna get to these tacos. It was lovely chatting with you, but bon appetit.